Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and here we have the Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium Special Edition. So this is the special edition and based on Xiaomi 14 Pro, and also this time they worked with co-engineered with lacquer. And as we can see, this time for this special edition, the Titanium Special Edition, the books they have a new colored. It's kind of silver gray, and compared to the normal black, this is more unique. And the pure box is all silk gray with a white model name and logo here. So about this edition, they get the same specifications, with mainly specifications same as the 14 Pro, just the weight is 7 gram weight than the 13 Pro, and also the design is a bit different. So now next, let's go to unbox it and check what's inside the box and how this phone looks like, and also the performance, special and the basic specification about this device. Okay, next, let me open it. Okay, so here after we open it, it is another box. Let's check this box first. Designed by Xiaomi, and as we can see, okay, they provide okay, this is a quick start and a transparent hard plastic bag case. So nothing special in this box. And also, okay, this is all stuff inside this small package, and nothing else. And here's the SIM card slot. So okay, here is a smartphone. Whoa, let's put it aside first, and then you have the charger, 120 watt charger. And this time for the Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium Edition, it gets the 120 watt fast charging cable, fast charging, and 50 watt wireless charging, and also the big battery, 4880, and they use the carbon silicon material battery. So this is about the charging the battery. And also here is the cable, and it's a Type-C to USB cable. Okay, so nothing special here. And also about the battery, I want to mention that this time they used Xiaomi on-developed P2 fast charging chip and the G1 battery manager chip. So this is the special thing about the battery. And next, let's peel this screen protector off and check the Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium Edition. Whoa. So now finally, whoa, the Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium Edition is in front of us. First, let's check the appearance, and this time the special part is this: they used titanium material, and the purity reached to 99%. And also here they used orange edge for the camera zone, and also we can check from this angle. The edge is called the Paris. The Paris is a special design here, and it looks very beautiful and unique and high-end. And also, as this color is very similar to the box colors, the silver gray. It looks very simple. Very nice. So, well, besides, except this camera's on age and the materials, others are very similar to the Xiaomi 14 Pro. And the front side, we can wake up it. Well, to check the front side. Covered screen. Punch hole camera here. Dot hole punch hole camera here. And also we can find the Xiaomi HyperOS. It's based on Android 14. And also the ROM information. 1 TB. More information here. Xiaomi 14 Pro Titanium and 60GB RAM plus virtual RAM 16GB. 16 and 6, so totally 12. Octa-core processor. Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, maximum 3.3 GHz. OS edition, and this time this is the first device that's used the Xiaomi HyperOS, and based on Android 14. Yes. So this is the information we get from the settings about the phone. And next, as you can see, when I hold it in my hand, you find the size is not so big. This time for the 14 Pro, it used lens 161 vis 75.3, and the lens 1614.4, and thickness 8.49, and total gram for the titanium edition 230 grams. If the glass edition 223, and so the size is not so big, and the weight is very acceptable. And if it compared to the normal 14, the size is a bit bigger, because the 14 is lens 152.8 and vis 71.5, and thickness just 8.2. And also for the 14 basic edition, they have a glass and the leather edition, and the weight for the glass 193, so it's a bit small, big size compared to the basic 14 edition. And if we go to the front side, we can check the screen size. It's also big compared to the 14, and it used a 6.73-inch AMOLED micro curved screen, and for the 14 it's used a 6.36 AMOLED screen, straight screen. So this is the difference. And for the material of the screen, it used the C8 and the Xiaomi Dragon Glass, and it supports 2K display resolution, 522 ppi, and also the peak brightness reached to 3000 nit, and it's used 120 Hz refresh rate. And then we can adjust the refresh rate here, display refresh rate here. We can customize the 120 Hz refresh rate. So this is about the screen. For screen, besides except the size and the display resolution, for the 14 is 1.5K. For this one is 2K. So the other things are same. And besides the screen, and we'll also talk about the chips, Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, and LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, and also the use the Xiaomi cooling system, and also the battery I mentioned, 4880 mAh big battery, 120 watt capable fast charging field wireless fast charging. And if for the 14, you know the length and the width is small and short than the Pro edition, so the battery is just from 4610 and the capable charging is 90 watt fast charging, wireless 50 watt. So this is about battery and charger, the chips and the screen. And also next we can talk about the camera. And this time they also engineer worked with Leica to provide the triple rear camera system and also the front camera, 32 megapixel front camera, and for the camera certification, the main one is 50 megapixel main camera and the 50 megapixel wide angle and megapixel telecom. The front, as I mentioned, 32 megapixel. So this is about the camera, and also about other special specifications. It's about IP68 rating, and it also can use your car keys, and also it's supported on the screen fingerprint, and also the dual speakers, and the dynamic 4-mic matrix. And also about the camera, this time they work with Leica to provide the Summilux lens, and also the customized sensor and film is 1-inch film, is pretty good. It supports dynamic wide range, and also the wide angle 115 degrees. We can have a very simple camera test here. Okay, and I will put the sample images at the end of the video. So here it's the 1 time wide angle, 2 times, 3.2 times, and totally 70 times. Portrait mode, master lens system, promote, movie mode, promote. You can choose. Also here we can use the style Leica vibrate. Also we can go to front, classical, texture, 1 time, 0.5 time. Okay, so I will put the pictures at the end of the video. And whoa, at last let's check the titanium Xiaomi 14 Pro appearance again, because it's really beautiful and it looks great. The titanium materials, 99 purity. And after the Apple, they released the iPhone 15 titanium edition. Xiaomi is the second to bring us a titanium materials smartphone, and it looks beautiful. Yes. Well, here dimension is a Claudia Paris. No, not flat. So, okay, thanks for watching. This is today's video, and let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.